Okay, this is my Fanmaster electric and gas heating appliance out of my Swift 1996 Caravan. The problem with it was that it stopped working. It started to trip out at first, and I found out that the fan was only running at slow speed, but both these mains electrical elements were on. The slow fan speed, coupled with the fact that there was a lot of heat, caused it to trip out. I reset it a few times, and then eventually it stopped working altogether. Got no fan working at all. I know that these can be repaired, but I've never attempted one, so I thought I'll have a look at it. So I've taken it out of the caravan. As you can see, this is the control panel, 12 volt battery, and when I had a look at it, there's a transistor that controls the fan. And I know by looking on the forums, it's the fan motor that overloads the transistor and blows it. So I thought, well, I've got nothing really to lose. I mean, you're talking about £70 for the printed circuit board and about £35 for the motor, and obviously you've got to either do it yourself or pay somebody to do it. So I had a look, and the transistor is a BD679. Which means nothing to me, but I had a look on eBay and managed to find somebody selling them for basically for a couple of quid delivered for two. So I thought, well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So I've ordered two, and today I've desoldered this transistor, soldered another one in, stripped the motor down, basically cleaned it, and put some grease on the two little end bearings. The brushes seem okay, nothing seemed to be particularly burnt on the motor, so I thought I'll give it a shot. The fan was quite noisy before it actually stopped working, so this is the result. And you can see, clicking on, while the fan itself you can hear working. I don't think it's excessively noisy. It certainly isn't as noisy as it was when we were in the caravan. Go down from fan onto auto electrical fan. It seems to be about 4 variations of speed. When it kicks in, you go doo doo doo. And likewise, when you go down to electric slow fan, That is running quite hot, although I can just about bear my finger on it. Couldn't do it for any length of time. So it may well fail, we shall see.